Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download free app Code Files by Google from Google Developer if you don't already have it. When you're ready, open it. If you never used this app before, select Continue in the pop-up and Allow in the other one. Then select Browse at the bottom in the middle and tap on Download category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!